Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, I'm your host P Fire, aka P is for plural, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that, as usual, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around, come back and show, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Yes, gang. Oh Lord, he's done it once again. He's back. He's done it once again. Guys, I'm going off shot. I don't even know what I'm doing. Have I done this before? Am I an amateur? Alright guys, today we have this CP Company t-shirt. You see what's going on. Let me step back just so you can see. Give you the little 12 to the RJ to the 12. As you can see, super dope. Guys, let's get into it and waste no more time. I hope you guys are well, by the way, because I'm well. The sun is shining. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so today we have this, let me touch myself, it feels so good. This CP Company lens pocket t-shirt. As you can see, start where we always start. There's my waist. There's the t-shirt goes down there, so you got a nice little bit off the waist, and this time I'm not sagging my pants. I'm just, you know, wearing it as a normal. So there's my waist and there's the t-shirt. Super nice. It's in this resplendent khaki green, would you say, army green. Nice little wide roll neck. As you can see, I've got a t-shirt underneath. If I was wearing this, I wouldn't wear a t-shirt underneath, so you see that it wouldn't, you know, it would look kind of, well, yeah, you can get the picture. I wouldn't be wearing a t-shirt underneath, so it gives me a bit of more neck right there. Beautiful color. I'll give you a little twirl, RJ. The material is super soft to the touch. It's just a really quality, and as you can see, it's quite thick. It's a thick t-shirt, really nice, cut really well. It's like a tailored piece, this. Not really much to say other than, of course, the selling point was the fact that it's got this nice little lens pocket right there. You got a little clip button right there. Again, want to put your secret Jack and Jills in there, go for it. Want to put your little bag of Purple Haze in there, go for it. You're good to go. They will search it, but you know, if you're walking down the street, no one's gonna blooming search you. Of course, you got your lens, says CP Company. What more do you want? Super nice, super cute. The sun's just come out again. Lovely. Give you the twirl, okay? CP Company, khaki green, tailored, thick, lens pocket shirt. Guys, that's it. I'm flying through these. Beautiful piece, lovely. Can't wait for it to be like this on a regular, and I'll be wearing this again with nothing underneath. Just a nice, beautiful khaki green t-shirt. Guys, thank you as always for watching. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that. I've been your host P5, aka CP Company, and this has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and look after yourself. Oh, and remember, don't let the bed bugs bite. Hi, peace gang. Peace.